Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix gas stove knob stuck. How do you actually fix it? Okay, gas stove stuck, cannot turn. Okay, first of all, you need to turn off your gas supply. Yeah, gas supply, and turn it off before you do it, and then you turn the whole stove upside down, reverse it, and look for the knob area. And I'm going to put some oil grease to it. So find a point at the back of the knob, and also at the front of the knob you need to put some oil grease. You can use the spray one or the liquid one like this Singer oil. Just dip some into the knob area. Okay, the knob area, to dip it, and then the front as well, the front knob as well. So back, make sure you dip sufficient. Okay, and the front area knob. Okay, the knob area, leave it there for a while, then you test it out. It's now working good, everything is good. It's now easier to turn it. Okay, easily. It's good. So if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.